Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Full Stack Forex. You already know what it is. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. All right, guys. In today's video, it's just more of a follow-up video of yesterday's trade, right? So I was reviewing my trade yesterday, and this is like I'm even on the video from yesterday that I posted yesterday on trading the NAS 100 using the CNBC app strategy. So basically, we're mainly trading the news, guys, not trading CNBC. We're trading the percentage change, the opening session, the opening of the New York session, and then we're looking at the percentage change of the main Nasdaq market movers, right? The companies that have the highest market capitalization. So, okay, yeah, it's a little complex, but don't worry about that. So yesterday, I was looking at yesterday's trade. Remember, guys, we're gonna trade again later today. I'm gonna post another video, guys. The content is coming in hot. We're gonna keep posting content. So, oh, not even content, strategy. It's not just content for the sake of content. It's strategy. It's you guys getting to see me trading this thing live every day for 30 days. That's what I'm going to try and do. So you guys can get the feel of it and see that, yo, this is an everyday thing. So I was just reviewing yesterday's video because I always review my trades, and we'll get into that. I'll probably make another video, guys. Please comment down below, guys. Just remind me so that I can make another video showing you the journal app, the Forex journal app that I use that helps me track all my apps and remember to come back and review my trades. So I was reviewing yesterday and why we didn't trade. So I was looking at the video here, and you can see there was a trend line that I drew there. And then as I'm reviewing, I'm like, no, let me alter this trend line and just give you guys feedback of what happened yesterday and what would have happened if we had traded yesterday. So for those of you who maybe didn't watch the video, I recommend go back and watch the previous video, the one I posted just before this one, and go check it out. So what had happened in that video? So this is the video actually. So this is the title and everything, right? Yay, that's an ad. There we go. That's the video, and then I'm gonna go back to here. There we go, and then we're gonna go. Yay! Don't look at my balance. Um. So here we are, right? So now we're live on the charts. And so don't worry about what's happening now. Let me just get rid of the crosshairs. I just want to look at what happened yesterday. So we can stop there. That's about fine. So when we were looking at the charts, remember we had the trend line drawn a different way, and then I came back yesterday and I reviewed it, and I said, no, this trend line I can actually draw it from here all the way down to here to this candle that formed. You just look at the time down here. Look at the time down here. Sorry. Guys, I'm pointing at the bottom of the screen. You see that my pointer. Look where my pointer is at. This is the candle we were trading. We were looking at. If I'm not mistaken, or one of these ones. This one. Right. So remember, here it says 16:15. That's the broker time. But the actual time that we were using was 3 o'clock. So just know the broker's behind is ahead by 1 hour. So when you see 4:15, it means it's 3:15. So just be mindful of that, guys. Just be mindful of that. So yeah, here it says 4:15, but it was 3:15. So this was, what did I do? Right. So here's where we were trading right here. Remember, I adjusted this trend line. It's different. So if it looks different from yesterday's videos, because I adjusted it. Before I had it running through from here to here, but now I have adjusted it and I said, no, it looks better here. Here's our low, and then here's another low over here. So I just shifted the screen. So, excuse me. So yeah, we were here. So in theory, actually, yes, we could have bought here because we knew the news was positive and we were at a trend line. We could have bought, but yesterday was still not a good day to trade. Why? Because when you're using the news strategy or a news strategy, you don't want to hold the trade for too long. You don't want to hold it in a sideways market. And as you can see, the next few candles was kind of up and down, a little bit choppy. Didn't really make any movements. It only started making movements about an hour later at like 4:15. right? Remember, guys, here it says 5:15, but remember, broker is 1 hour ahead. So at 4:15, that's when, yeah, it started making, or let me say 4:30. That's when we could see a little bit of bullish movements. And then only at 5 o'clock here did we get a break. Do you see there? 5 o'clock. We got a break with the body where the candle broke with the body, broke the upper trend line, the upper channel, right? And then it started to break out. And so do you see, we would have had to hold it, and look at this. By the time it's 5 o'clock, so this is more than like about an hour, 2 hours holding a trade that we use a new strategy for. So normally we don't like holding trades that long because it could go anyway. When you're using a news strategy, when you're trading fundamentals, we typically want to catch the move immediately. You know, the first 5-10 minutes, we want to catch the move, then shift our stop loss so we break even, shift our stop loss so that we're in profit, and then we keep moving. We keep eating, and then as it goes higher, we shift our SL. So if you watch the first video in this series, that's exactly what we did. Those are the types of trades I want us to catch. I want to minimize risk as much as possible. So that way, as we're moving, we're just catching pips, baby. You know, we're just getting the profits, and we're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. We shift that SL. We move up. We shift that SL until we eventually reach our take profit. If there is a take profit, if there's no take profit, we just keep shifting our stop loss. And we know, the most rewarding thing, guys, in trading is once you can shift your stop loss so that you close in profits. So you know for a fact that you've made money today. There's nothing more that you need to do. You've made money, you've made profits, and now you've locked everything in. You can move on to the next day. So that's basically why we didn't take this trade. The market was just too slow, wasn't enough volatility. It took too long to even break the upper channel here. And yeah, if you take too much time, you see like here, about a few hours later, then boom, it shifted, went bearish, went to the other side. But fine, we had a good trend, good bounce here, then it went back up, but it made a lower high and then broke back down to the bearish side. You see, so this is why we don't want to hold a trade for too long, because again, remember, as time passes, the change, the percentage change on our CNBC app of the different companies within the Nasdaq changes as well, because now more volume could come in, taking the market to the bearish side. More negative volume could come in, bearish volume could come in. So that could shift our trade, and then now we're losing a trade, unnecessarily. That's the strategy. We just want to boom, get in, get our money, get out, have a nice day. You know what I mean? Because because with the strategy, you're only trading from like, let's say 3 to 4. So it's 1 hour every day, and you're making a good amount. And again, comment down below. I think that it just gave me another idea for another video, just to show you guys, if you compound the strategy and you make, let's